Almost there, just the boom now. Hello everyone, please like, subscribe and share. And I will drive this car beautifully. Let's go for a ride along the river. Enjoy the view.